We're going to remove the oil filter on a BMW. We're using pliers, filter pliers here. If you're concerned about the housing on your oil filter, you can use some cloth on top of the filter, and then you can set the pliers on it and get it loose. Once the filter is loose, you can just use your hand to remove the filter from the engine. You need to be careful because there will be oil drips, so it is recommended to put a towel nearby here. Next step is to remove the oil filter. You simply grab the filter and pull it away. That will allow you to remove it and set it aside. Now we're going to remove the O-rings here. Sometimes these will become brittle, especially if they haven't been changed for a long time, so they might crack and fall into pieces, so be careful so they don't fall into the plastic trim. Then you also have the larger O-ring. You can just pull out and just set the new one in. You want to make sure that that larger O-ring is sitting on the proper channel. And next we'll take the new filter and you will press it in. You do want to make sure that it's seated properly and it's pushed all the way in. But sometimes the filter might not be pushed in and you'll have a hard time putting the filter back on the engine. Next we will thread the oil filter in the engine. You're going to thread it by hand as far as you can and keep an eye on the O-ring because it can slide out of the channel and prevent you from threading the housing, the oil filter into the housing. So keep an eye on that, and you're basically going to go all the way in by hand, and then after that give it about a quarter turn to half a turn with the oil filter wrench, and it's recommended to torque the oil filter to about 25 Newton meters.